These consonants are all pronounced as sibilants, that is, placed in the mouth more or less like English S and Z. Reading down from the top, Z, like Z. Second down, S, like S. Third down, Ts, Ts, as in English TS or tsetse fly. Ts. Fourth down again like English S, S. And fifth down like English SH, sh, sh. In the near look-alike department, we need to distinguish the newly learned Z from the V, V-like consonant learned earlier. And we must distinguish the newly learned S, S from the final form of the M, M character. And finally, we can distinguish between the ts, ts consonant of this lesson and the from our first lesson. Let's go on now to listen to all 5 of these new sibilant consonants using the full inventory of Biblical Hebrew vowels. Za, sa, tsa, sa, sha, za, sa, tsa, sa, sha. Ze, se, tse, se, she. Ze, say, 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 shay. Z, z, c, 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 she. Zo, so, 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 show. Sometimes when the O dot and the sh or s dot result in 2 dots close together, one of them is simply eliminated and assumed, so that this first character would still be so. zo, so, 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 sho, zu, su, tsu, su, shu, aish, sheish, za, zaid. You won't recognize the second character in this word. It's the ts, ts sound from this lesson, which, like some others you've learned, has a final form. That is a form it takes at the end of a word. So here, eights, eights, zahav, kesef, kodesh, tsava, sadeh, nefesh, isha. Now what's happened here? You can see that we have a dot or dagesh in a letter that is not one of our begad kapats. In such a circumstance, the dagesh always signifies doubling the consonant sound, what is sometimes called a long consonant. Here, isha. This dagesh is sometimes called a strong dagesh, to distinguish it from the weak dagesh of the begad kafat letters. So again, here with strong dagesh, isha, isha, shemesh, sheva, chazak, atzum, sameach, piseach. Now here it's clear that the second or middle character, s, receives a strong dagesh, doubling the sound. Piseach. But you may be wondering now whether this first character, a begad kapat, may be taking either a weak dagesh or a strong dagesh. And in fact, that's the case. So how do we know which it is here? With a begad kapat, when it has a dagesh, simply look to see whether it follows a vowel. And if it does follow a vowel, then the dagesh is strong, doubling the sound. Here, the p does not follow a vowel, so it is simply taking a weak dagesh, distinguishing p from f. So for this word, Piseach, piseach. Chasid, asa, tzivei, chazek, kizev. Again, the k does not follow a vowel, so we know that the dagesh is simply weak, distinguishing k from ch, kizev. Asaf, shisa, katsets, kibates. Here we have a bagad kapat character in the middle of a word sporting a dagesh. We want to know whether the dagesh is weak or strong, and we see that it follows a vowel. And for that reason we know that the dagesh is strong, signifying doubling or lengthening of that b sound. Kibates, kibates. Sava, chafetz, mechefetz, tzachak, chefes, chofes, mekaas. Again, a bagad kapat letter sporting a dagesh and preceded by a vowel, and so doubled, a strong dagesh. Mekaas, mikesef,